Kasi may kasalanan nitong lahat si BBM eh. Kung di ba naman siya magnanakaw, di rin magnanakaw yung mga palibot niya, lalo na yung first cousin niya, ginawa pa niya speaker. Saan ka makakita? With their history. Sinabi ko na sa kampanya doon kay Lenny nang nasa rally ako, di ba? Tapos, cronies na naman ang papatakbo ng ating ekonomiya. Oh, look at what happened. Even Professor Monsod was my professor, said, I'm not optimistic that they can still reform because of the people around Bongbong. Oh, yeah, not coming from me, na political, she's an economist, di ba? Sabi ko naman sa show mo noon eh. You were the one who asked me and I answered, I wish the president will succeed because we're in the same boat. Bayan ko rin naman ito. Di ba? It was in your show. So wala siyang masasabi sa akin na I started, pag-start pa lang niya, inatake ko rin. Hindi. Kami ni Martin, when I was at the lunch of the party list, I was invited. Hindi pa kami noon, wala pang June 30 noon eh. Si Sandro, pumunta sa akin, yumuyo ko. Di ba? Naka-picture yun eh. Galit na galit yung mga kakamping. Ba't ko daw sinhikan si Sandro? Bakit? Sabi ko, may ketong ba yun? Patayan niyo ko siyang i-shake hands, ha? Masyadong jealous kayo. Sila pupunta sa akin pa picture. At naman ako tatayo pa picture sa kanila. I'm nearly 70 years old. Sabi ko, ito si Martin talaga, doble cara. Sinabi pa niya sa akin, Ma'am, sabi ko, is there anything, gawin mo naman, you make the PWD committee a regular committee. Kasi right now, de facto lang. You know, it's really marginalized. Yes, we can do that.